Good morning, all of you. Today, in environmental education, we are going to discuss about equitable use of resources for sustainable lifestyle. First is scarcity of resources. Scarcity of resources is the burning problem of modern technology. The 21st century will see growing human needs for resources since many parts of the world are using natural resources at a rate faster than natural processes can replenish it, because day by day population is increasing. Natural resources are limited. For example, the existing water sources are being subjected to heavy pollution. Global climatic changes are altering the quality of freshwater sources as a consequence of unknown effects on the hydrological cycle. Now, sustainable development, meaning sustainable development is the development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of the future generation to meet their own needs. That is, efforts that we are doing at the present level definitely give remarkable effects in future. Sustainable development refers to the process of development of a region in a planned manner for a long time. It requires planned or judicious utilization of available limited resources with least possible degradation of environment while maintaining quality of life at the same time. Now, at the present time, sustainable development is a focal theme. Focal, that means we are going to emphasize on it in the field of development, planning, and other associated aspects. In the light of self-defeating current mode of development and recurrent natural calamities, people are urged to ponder over the faults, shortcomings, discrepancies, and limitations of the ongoing development process and production system. Therefore, it is essential to sustain the natural resources. We should conserve natural resources so that it may yield sustainable benefit to the present generation while maintaining its potential to meet the needs of future generation. Now, there are three specific objectives associated with conservation of living resources. First, to ensure that any utilization of the ecosystem is sustainable. Second, to preserve our biodiversity, that is both flora and fauna. Third is to maintain essential ecological processes like food chain and various kinds of gaseous cycle in nature. Now, conservation of water. First, to minimize the evaporation losses, irrigate the crops, the plants and the laws in evening, because water application during daytime will lead to more loss of water due to high rate of evapotranspiration. Improve water efficiency by using optimum amount of water in washing machine, dishwasher and other domestic appliances. Install water saving toilets which use less water per flushing. Next, check the water leakage in pipes and toilets and repair them promptly. Fifth is, don't keep water taps running while they are not in use. Next is recycling of water that is used for washing clothes, for gardening and cleaning purposes. Now, energy conservation for our future use. First, turn off all electrical appliances such as lights, fans, televisions, computers, etc. when they are not in use. Next, Clean all the lighting sources regularly because dust on lighting sources decreasing lighting level up to 20 to 30%. Third is try to harvest energy from natural resources to obtain heat. For example, drying the clothes in sun and avoid drying in washing machine. This will save a lot of electricity and our electricity bill as well. Fourth is save liquefied petroleum gas by using solar cookers for cooking. Next is design your house with provision for sun space to keep the house warm and provide more light along with ventilation. Next is avoid misuse of vehicles for transportation and if possible carpooling journey to minimize use of petrol or diesel. For smaller distance prefer walking or cycling. Next is minimize the use of air conditioner to save electricity. Along with it also saves us from problem of global. Protect soil health. Firstly, we have to use organic fertilizers or compost to maintain soil fertility. Second, to avoid soil erosion, does not irrigate the plants by using fast flow of water. Third, use sprinkler irrigation to control the amount of water and to conserve soil. Fourth is design landscape of the lawn in large area which will help to bind soil and help in avoiding soil erosion. Provide vegetation cover by growing of ornamental plant, herbs and trees in your garden. Use vegetable waste to prepare a compost that can be used in kitchen gardening. Thank you.